Take a ride in the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.